Have you ever bought an air fryer hoping it would make weeknight cooking easier, only to end up with unevenly cooked food, confusing controls, and another appliance collecting dust on your countertop? If you're tired of kitchen gadgets that promise convenience but create more work, this air fryer might be worth a closer look. Today, we're reviewing the Cosori 12-in-1 Air Fryer 5.8 quart, a model that's become incredibly popular among families, busy professionals, and anyone looking for faster, healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. The idea behind this air fryer is simple. Make everyday cooking easier while giving you enough versatility to handle everything from quick snacks to full family dinners. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the Cosori strikes a nice balance between modern design and practicality. It has a clean, streamlined appearance that looks good on most kitchen counters without feeling oversized. The square basket design is one of those details that seems minor until you start using it. Compared to round baskets found in many competing models, the square shape gives you more usable cooking space, making it easier to fit larger portions or even a whole chicken. The construction feels sturdy, and the basket slides smoothly in and out without feeling loose or flimsy. The control panel is responsive and easy to understand, which is especially important for anyone new to air frying. What makes this model stand out is how approachable it feels during daily use. The 12 cooking functions cover most of the foods people cook regularly, including chicken, vegetables, seafood, frozen foods, fries, and baked items. Instead of constantly guessing temperatures and cooking times, you can choose a preset and get surprisingly consistent results. The ability to save customized settings is another feature that becomes more valuable over time. Once you find the perfect settings for your favorite meals, you can save them and avoid repeating the same adjustments every time. Performance is where the Cosori earns most of its praise. Thanks to its AdaptIQ technology and rapid air circulation, food cooks quickly and evenly. French fries come out crispy, chicken develops a satisfying exterior texture, and vegetables retain more flavor and texture than many people expect from an air fryer. The cooking speed can make a noticeable difference during busy evenings when nobody wants to wait for a traditional oven to preheat. The noise level is also reasonable. Like most air fryers, you'll hear the fan operating, but it's not loud enough to dominate a conversation or become distracting in the kitchen. The built-in shake reminder is another thoughtful touch. It helps improve consistency without forcing you to constantly monitor the cooking process. If you don't need it, you can disable it entirely, which adds a level of flexibility many users appreciate. Cleaning is refreshingly simple. The nonstick basket helps prevent food from sticking, and the dishwasher-safe components reduce the time spent scrubbing after meals. For many households, the easy cleanup may end up being one of the most appreciated features because it removes one of the biggest barriers to cooking at home more often. Of course, there are a few limitations worth mentioning. While the 5.8 quart capacity is ideal for most families of 3 to 5 people, larger households may occasionally wish for additional cooking space. It's also not the cheapest air fryer available, so budget-focused buyers may find more affordable alternatives. However, many lower-priced competitors don't offer the same combination of cooking consistency, customization, and overall ease of use. Overall, the Cosori 12-in-1 Air Fryer 5.8 quart is an excellent choice for families, beginners, and busy home cooks who want consistently good results with minimal effort. It cooks quickly, cleans easily, and offers enough flexibility to replace several kitchen appliances. If easier weeknight meals and less kitchen stress sound appealing, this is definitely one worth considering. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and check out the link in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.